Oh.
You ready?
Mom, check out my snow angel. Mom.
Allie, wait a second.
Rain! Get over here.
Allie, let go. Oh my God.
Allie, no.
Allie, freaking leave her alone. Come here. Rain, Rain. Rah! Wait, watch this. Dang it, she was doing it earlier. She's not doing it now. She, like, you know how the wolves, when there's like little mouse or whatever?
Yeah, I know, they prout.
Yeah, she was doing that earlier and she was sniffing underneath. Rain. Come in.
Allie, Kaylee, come here. Where's Allie?
Huh?
Whew, I gotta get under a tree.
Allie, get out from behind the tree.
She's over there.
Where?
Look at all the.
Here, let me get this baby. Let me get the baby.
Wait, we gotta show how deep it is.
Oh, how deep? Where do you want me to stand? Over here?
It's pretty deep.
Come on.
It's pretty deep.
Well, it's not as deep as. Oh my God.
Kaylee! Oh my God! Rain! Oh no! Kaylee! Rain! Oh my God, Kaylee, that's not funny. Go get her.
I can't run.
Kaylee, hurry! Call her, Kaylee! Kaylee, you gotta run!